Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making chicken cutlet. You can serve this cutlet as a snack or you can have this cutlet with rice. The cutlet with breadcrumbs can be served as a yummy snack. The cutlet without breadcrumbs is super tasty with rice. Let's start. You need 450 gram of boneless chicken, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Add salt to taste and little turmeric powder. Mix well. And you need 1 potato cut into pieces. In a cooker, add marinated chicken and cut potatoes and half cup of water and close the lid. Cooking time in medium flame 4 whistles. When pressure is released, then only open the lid. The potato and chicken has been cooked perfectly. Remove the skin from the potato and shred the chicken with hands. Smash the boiled potato. In a pan, add oil, half teaspoon of fennel powder, 1½ inch of fresh ginger finely chopped, 6 big garlic cloves finely chopped. Saute it for a minute. Then add 1 big onion finely chopped. Then add chopped curry leaves and finely chopped green chili and salt to taste. When onion becomes soft, add shredded chicken and smashed potato and mix well. At the end, add coriander leaves and mix well and saute it for 1 minute, then switch off the flame. For this step, you need breadcrumbs and 2 beaten egg whites. Take 2 or 3 tablespoons of chicken filling for the cutlets and roll them into an even size patty. Dip them in egg whites. And coat them with breadcrumbs. Few chicken patties have not dipped in egg white or breadcrumbs. And refrigerate this for 10 minutes. Cutlets can be deep fried or shallow fried. It's your choice. Here I am deep frying the cutlets. Chicken patties without breadcrumbs should be dipped in an egg white, then fry it. Yummylicious and easy cutlet is ready. If you like my video, please do subscribe and like. Thank you.